Alright, welcome back to another math tutorial with Mr. Rambaran. Today we're going to be talking about the different types of angles and demonstrating how these angles work. Alright, so first our 4th grade TEK is 6C. It is geometry and measurement. The student applies mathematical processes standards to analyze geometric attributes in order to develop generalizations about their properties. The student is expected to apply knowledge of right angles to identify acute, right, and obtuse triangles. Alright, so our can statement is I can identify and create different angles, explain the differences in the three angles, and give examples of different angles in everyday shapes and figures. So here are three main types of angles, although I included two different other ones, our straight angle, as you can see on the bottom, and our zero angle. But the main ones we will be working with is the acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. And as you can see here, an acute angle is smaller than a 90 degrees, is less than 90 degree angles. Our right angle makes a perfect 90 degree angle, and our obtuse is larger than a 90 degree angle, as you can see here. So the three, again, we are going to be working with is acute, right, and obtuse. So let's practice. Alright, so here we have our geoboard, and I'm going to place a few rubber bands and different types of shapes so we can see just how these angles work. They're a little slippery. All right, so in the first one we're going to look at the blue one. Right here, what is the first thing you notice? To me, I notice it first has a right angle and two acute angles. So our right angle is right here at the bottom. You can see where it makes the perfect 90 degrees. And our acute are right here and right here in these two corners. So this, as you can tell, is one right angle with two acute angles. In our square, in the green square right here, you can see that all these angles are perfect 90 degrees. So this square, any square or rectangle is going to give you a 90 degree right angle. So in our isosceles triangle, you can see that it only has acute angles on it. There is no right angle because none of these are a perfect up and down where it makes that perfect box to be a right angle. They're all acute. So let's just make a crazy shape. Take all these off and make one abnormal kind of just out of there kind of shape. All right, so in this shape, we can see that I created all the angles. Here we have an acute angle. Right here and here, you can see we made a perfect right angle. Mostly right here. As you can see on this one, it kind of leans towards obtuse, so we're going to actually recall this one obtuse. And the main obtuse, as you can see, is right here as it fluctuates so wide it opens up that this is definitely greater than 90 degrees, creating an obtuse angle. So that's it for the tutorials over angles. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.